Down today with two legal experts to answer your questions.
First of all, we wanted to know who can be considered an aider or abettor.
If they had no idea that this was an abortion after, for example, maybe it happened in the 8th week, they could be deemed an aider and abettor. But they have to knowingly aid and abet.
Could a taxi or Uber driver be sued for taking a woman to get an abortion?
You have to have some knowledge of what you're doing. If you simply just pick up a fare, drop them off on the street near a clinic, you have no idea what they're going to do. They can be getting a physical exam, for example.
If I were the Uber driver, I would never ask anyone why they're being driven to Planned Parenthood.
And how would a private citizen know with certainty the details of what happened between a woman and her abortion provider?
The issues of proof become very tricky. These records are not public. And even if you file a lawsuit, you don't get access to the documents until much later in the case. You have to have something to go on.
Roe v. Wade protects a woman's right to an abortion up until viability. That's generally considered around 20 weeks. So how does Texas's law not violate that?
The state has no role in its enforcement, only private citizens. It generally acts as a deterrent. This is a clever way to get around Roe, at least temporarily.
Both agree it's difficult to predict what will happen in court, especially at the highest level.
Assuming Roe survives through this term, ultimately the abortion providers will win, but they face enormous financial challenges in the interim.
I'm actually surprised that there hasn't been a clinic somewhere that says, you know what, come and sue me. And they just performed an abortion, waited to get sued. There are very wealthy people who could pay the $10,000 penalty.
Still, supporters of the law say it's already doing what its authors intended.
Doctors have quit performing abortions because they're afraid they're going to be sued. So that's what makes this law different. And a couple of other interesting answers for you. One, the law does not allow a woman who had an abortion to be sued. Only providers or those accused of aiding or abetting. And two, a convicted rapist is not allowed to sue under this new state law.